Hi and welcome to LaShenny21Nails. I'm Jenny. If you enjoy my content and you haven't subscribed yet, you can do so by clicking the subscribe button. It's free. Today I'm going to be sharing this beautiful box that was sent to me from NCLA Los Angeles. It has a beautiful floral print and I love it. It has the names here on the front and the website, nclabeauty.com. Let's open it up. And on the lid it says treat yourself. It has a logo. And you have this beautiful card with the polishes that are included in the box. On the back you have more information and the swatches of the colors that are included, the names of each of the polishes, and the cuticle oil that they included. Let's take them all out. Let's take a closer look at each color. They're 10 ml. This one is called Vintage Pink. That is beautiful. Next we have Nude Rosé. Wow, this is beautiful. This one is called Cherry Burgundy. Next up is this gorgeous green called Military Girl. Look at that, beautiful. And the last one is Nude BB Cream, and it's a sheer polish. That one's perfect for a French manicure. This one's called Cherry Bomb, and it smells just like cherry candy. It's very sweet. I also got another package from NCLA, which is an order that I placed using my rewards points, so let's see what I got. They included this super cute card, NCLA Loves You, and a discount code Love You for 20% off your next purchase. It expires on the 15th. And they also sent me these super cute stickers. A little nail file. And their cuticle oil. This one is rose petal scent. Vitamin E infused cuticle oil. It's really pretty and I love that it's purple. This one is 0.45 ounces. Oh wow, this smells so good. It reminds me of a perfume that I used to have when I was younger. Oh wow, it smells so good. It smells like roses. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!